Sampling method is that method in which data is collected from the sample of an item. किसी भी आइटम में से हमने सैंपल को कलेक्ट कर लिया, वो हमारा सैंपल हो गया. सेलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द पॉपुलेशन एंड कंक्लूड लाइक एज वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. जैसे एक मास, बहुत सारी जनता है, उसमें से हमने कुछ लोगों को सेलेक्ट कर लिया, दैट इज़ सैंपल, एंड कंक्लूजन आर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम देम. Sampling method has three main stages: to select a sample, to collect information from the sample, to make inference regarding the population. Merits of the sampling: saving of time and money. सैम्पलिंग क्या होता है? एक मेथड होता है जिसमें हम लेस एक्सपेंसिव होता है. इट्स सेव मनी एंड लेबर बिकॉज ऑफ फ्यू यूनिट्स. It's saving of time. A sampling method data can be collected more quickly as these are obtained from the some item of the universe. Third is intensive study. As number of item is less in sampling method, they can be intensively study. हम एक 100 नंबर का ट्रायल लेते हैं जिसमें से हम 10 सैम्पल्स कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, तो वो इंटेंसिवली हम उनको स्टडी कर पाएंगे. And organizational convenience. In this study, more convenience and can be organized more executed and more conveniently. These sample are more skilled, competent investigator can be appointed. These are the merits of the sampling. After this, we can understand the stratified sampling and we can understand stratified sampling and cluster sampling. Difference in between the stratified sampling is when each group has a small variation within itself, but there is a wide variation between the group. In this sense, we can say that they are heterogeneous within the group and homogeneous in outside in the universe. All unit or population are divided into different strata is according which their characteristics. Their groups are called the strata, and they are different with each other into the characteristics. This method also called the stratified sampling. This method has more accuracy. Comparative study of this method on the basis of the fact at different strata. There is more likelihood of the representation of unit, and the other sampling is cluster sampling. Cluster means group. We can understand by the cluster making process. In this process, we can where is the consideration variation with each group, but group are essentially similar to each other. There are group are not different into the characteristic. In this method, universe is divided into the many group, but these group are equal in size and characteristics. These are called the cluster, in which few groups are selected selectively on the random basis. These cluster are completely enumerated.